So here's my ramen jar. You can make these in advance, stick them in your fridge, and then take them to work or have them ready for a quick lunch. I have a kettle of boiling vegetable stock here, a little travel kettle that I love to take with me when I go. But here I have miso, I have coconut aminos or soy sauce, whatever you want to use, a package of just plain old rice, ramen noodles, or whatever you want to use. That's a quick cooking noodle. About a half a cup of those frozen mixed veg, green beans, corn, peas, and then I have a little bit of spinach. And then all I'm going to do is pour over this hot stock. Look at that. Would you not want to take this for lunch? So good. And I almost forgot the kicker in here is beef jerky. So I've seen a lot of people do like shredded chicken, which is great, but the beef jerky, you don't have to do any additional work. You snip it up, and this is actually Korean barbecue beef jerky, a really good grass-fed brand, Larissa's, and so it's going to be phenomenal and impart a lot of flavor to this as well. So I'm gonna let this set for 60 seconds, and then we are going to enjoy. Okay, here's how I like my ramen. Just a little bit of dried seaweed, squeeze of lime, and then a little bit of this chili crisp, or maybe a lot, because I love the slight spiciness of it and the little crisps that it gives you when you're eating it. If you've not tried chili crisp, try chili crisp. Oh, and then mint. Fresh mint, right in. Okay, gonna give it a quick stir. All right, let's try to get some noodle. Ooh, and the beef jerky is kind of tender now. It's no longer chewy beef jerky. Look at those. The vegetables have cooked in that hot broth. This is awesome. All those flavors you can see in here. All that goodness, those noodles, all the veg, the beef jerky. This is really, really good. And that chili crisp, wow. All right, you have to make these ramen jars yourself. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching Taylor Kitchen. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to this YouTube channel so that you're getting the absolute latest. And also sign up via our website or via the link in the comments below so that you're getting the latest from us, because very soon we're going to be launching some live cook together events for free, and we want you to be aware so that you can participate. Also, if you have any comments, suggestions, recommendations, please leave a comment in the link below or on any of our social media website. I would love to hear from you. I would love to chat with you and love to respond. So look for Instagram, Pinterest, all the other social media channels via the link in the comments below, and leave comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much.